All right, we're back. I'm trying another set of these Nerf bars for my Talon. I'll show you why. Original set that I ordered, there's holes that, if you watch the original video, it's like, oh, drain holes. Genius. There's one there, and there's one there, and there's one there. Well, that's the problem is that's the top. That's just going to fill with water and then never leak out. That's the top. And it's not like that on the other one, so I'm like, no, I'm good. I'm good. Just went return, reorder. I ordered from a different company, and this is the exact same box. Like, look at this. Different company. Look at this. Lime 112S. Lime. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So I sat there and I stared at that. Those the original purchased Nerf bars for a long time. They actually have different finishes on them too. Like it's different color. So this is looking packaged the exact same way, which is good. We got this heavy duty mat here. We got a bar in there. Let's go ahead and pull this out. I was about to say, let's put this on a platter. Let's put this on a tray. So packaged the same way. Kind of weird. One in bubble wrap, one not in bubble wrap. Oh man. We have holes. Holes! Well, I don't understand. I do not understand. Why are they putting holes in these things? How many holes we got? We got a hole there. We got a hole there. This one has 3 holes in it. 3 fucking holes. On the top side. Is that the same exact one? No, there's 4 holes. It's got the exact same hole. I don't understand, dude. I don't get it. Let's see. Let's check the other one. Has it got holes in it? Like, this is ridiculous. I mean, 2 for 2. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice. Won't get fooled again. No holes. All right. Well, I don't understand what they're doing. That's extraordinarily disappointing. This is going to probably turn into like some sort of epic shit show with returns. I don't think I'm going to play the... I'm not going to play the do it 3 times. Take a look at it now. Yeah, no holes. Like, what are you doing? Originally, I was just going to fix it, but I'm like, dude, why am I fixing things that I'm paying for? Like, I don't care where it's made or who's selling it. I don't want to fix stuff. Like, stop sending me stuff I have to fix. Why? Why are you drilling holes? That's so garbage. What an upgrade. What an upgrade. All right. Well, that's just a 3-minute fucking unboxing of disappointment. Stay safe. That's so disappointing. Like, what? Why couldn't they put holes in the other one and I could just do the old swap-a-roo? Like, that'd be perfect. Stay safe.